All right, guys, so Hoto sent me over their Air Pump Pro. This thing has a 12-volt motor, 7,500 milliamps per hour, up to 120 PSI, and even a digital pressure gauge. So stick around. We're gonna fill up this basketball here, see if I can fill up this pool floatie, and even fill up a tire. But first, a quick unboxing. And last but not least, what I'm assuming is the air hose and all of its accessories. So this is to fill up a bike tire right here. And also you can fill up your car tires. This is a USB-C to USB-A charging cord. And last but not least, all the accessories it comes with. You got your basketball needle, your tire inflator, and the air hose. Okay, so assembly looks fairly simple. Long press to turn on and off. This is to adjust the pressure. And this is to turn on the light. Hold it for 3 seconds. There we go. Got your flashlight. Turn it off. All right, we're gonna turn it off and assemble this thing. So on the top, you have this here where the air hose goes into. We're gonna screw that in. And on this side is where the attachment goes. So I'm gonna try this right here and see how this works. So right here, you can switch the digital gauge, PSI, KPA, and bar. I'm not sure what any of that means except for PSI. Take this off. This thing is clean. All right, so right here, you can change the mode to what you want it to. Right now, I think I'm gonna try to fill up this floatie, so we'll leave it on just regular 120 PSI. You can adjust this. And I'm gonna turn this on now. I'm assuming it's gonna be pretty loud, so bear with me. So I can feel the air coming out. Let's fill this thing up. So I filled up the pillow part here, but I didn't realize that this floatie, the opening here is very large. That's like a mattress air filler. And this does not come with that. So we're gonna move on to the basketball. Okay, so I'm gonna switch the mode. Oh, excuse me. We're gonna switch the mode right here. Switch it to basketball. All right, so I have the basketball needle in. Now let's fill up the basketball. Let's stick this right in and let's turn it on. Let's give it a little more air. It's pretty cool because it's telling you the PSI, and this ball should tell you how much air it's supposed to have, so you can fill it up exactly the way it's supposed to be. See that? It says moisten needle, inflate to 8 PSI. So we're gonna put a little bit more air. We're not quite there yet. It's at 6 PSI. All right, that's good. All right, so now I'm gonna fill up my tire. Long hold, turn it on. It's already on the mode I want. So I'm gonna set the desired PSI. I think I want to put 34 on this. So there you have it, stopped exactly on 34 PSI. Just like I wanted it to.